Welcome back to UXMOY. I'm here with a quick update about MULLEN stock. Your favorite MULLEN stock. It is out of gas and out of luck. Read this article, my friend. 2 months ago, almost to the day, as MULLEN Automotive's plummeting share price slipped below $0.20 per share and showed no signs of slowing down. David Mishra, CEO of the electric vehicle startup, told investors that while MULLEN would use our best effort to regain compliance to meet Nasdaq required for a minimum $1 bid price, things were not looking good. If MULLEN stock fails to trade above $1 for a minimum of 10 consecutive business days prior to September 5th, said Mishri, the company will implement a reverse stock split to cure the deficiency prior to set date. And now that date has come, my friend. On Wednesday, May 3rd, MULLEN announced that it will implement a 1-for-25 reverse stock split, which became effective today. If you own stock right now, here's what that means for you. I'm going to break it down for you, my friend. Take however many shares of MULLEN you thought you owned yesterday and divide it by 25. That means if you own 100 shares on Tuesday, you will own just 4 shares on Thursday. If you own 100,000 shares yesterday, you will own 4,000 tomorrow. On the plus side, of course, those shares will be worth more than this $0.06 they cost today. They will cost 25 times more, actually, or about $1.50 a share, as MULLEN share price automatically adjusted 25 times higher. The question is, how long will this stay at 1.50? Well, we have seen how MULLEN is burning their cash, how they are just putting the cash in the fire, and not producing anything. This is how they are going to do things, my friend. You see, the only reason MULLEN has acceded to the reverse stock split option is because MULLEN has made its best effort to fix its business and gets its share price back over $1 organically. And these best efforts have failed entirely. Now that MULLEN has admitted its failure, it's likely a lot of investors will be forced to come to the same conclusion. Indeed, you can say a lot of them already have come to this conclusion. MULLEN stock is down 18% on Thursday after the announcement. Investors sold off MULLEN stock despite MULLEN boosting several hours before making the reverse split. Well, there you go. They have sold their stocks before they even let you know that it possesses $116.1 million in available cash and has ordered in hand over $263 million, more than the sales of MULLEN Class 1 and Class 3 EV vans and trucks. So Randy Marion Automotive Group, add those numbers too, and it sounds like MULLEN stock, which has a market capitalization of only $242 million, should very soon have more than 1.50 in the bank for every $1 its shares are worth, except for the fact that MULLEN is burning through $85 million cash per year, and except for the fact before it can sell 263 million worth of EVs, it must first buy all the parts and raw material needed to build them. There you go, my friend. That's the bad news. Unfortunately for MULLEN, it now appears that investors are finally taking a good hard look at the caveats behind this company's number, and it sure looks they are concluding that MULLEN Automotive is just another failing EV manufacturer with nothing more than promises to sell an investor who are tired of buying the hype. I told you two or three videos before that MULLEN is not the future. You gotta look for the people to invest in. This is not Elon Musk, my friend. This is not Elon Musk, my friend. This is not Elon who's going to give you a miracle. Who's going to give you a miracle? This is not Elon, my friend. This is not Elon. I told you, NIO is very fragile. This MULLEN stock is very fragile. You gotta look at the people who are working behind it and invest your money in that. There you go. I only have sympathies for you, my friend. With this, I have to go. Leave a comment and I'll be with you to respond to you every moment. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Goodbye.